बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel for decor ideas. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about chocolate cake designs in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, stylish, beautiful cake designs for this video. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you like these designs. All chocolate cake designs for special for chocolate lovers. All the designs beautiful, stylish, amazing, trending. All the designs are creative and amazing. If you are interested in these types of design, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Where do you want my YouTube video? Then please tell me in comment box. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video and subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you love my cake designs. I hope you love the designs of creativity. If you are interested in these types of design, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs, and take a screenshot of it, and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. If you want to see more make cake design, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video and collecting my beautiful channel.